Hi everyone. Today is Saturday, so I decided to make fresh egg roll. Spring roll for my family. So the ingredient I have like for meat I have like pork already cooked. That white meat pork. And then that is your choice. Is it like pork belly? Yeah, you use pork belly, but for me I like I like this one. And I have a shrimp. I have shrimp. When I cook, it got shrimp is small, but the size is more a little more bigger. And I have shrimp, I have pork, and this spring roll. And for the vegetable, I have mint, khmer hao chim cam, and cilantro, and lettuce, that baby Roman lettuce. That is your choice too, any kind of lettuce you like. And cucumber, I already sliced like this, and bean sprout, and noodle, dan nông chọc, rice noodle, and for the fish sauce, I have like a pickled chili, a fresh chili, and a roast peanut, and sweet and sour fish sauce. So let's start to do it now. For the water that I did for the spring roll, I make with the hot water so it won't be break easily, and a little bit of oil so it won't stick when you put in a bowl. I mean when you finish, you put in a and for the stuff that I use it, I put the kitchen towel in hot water so that it's good to it's not, it make you more easily to roll it. So let's start now. I like to wear it makes me more comfortable, but I don't know that I can make it good or not with the glove. Brown mint. Any kind of mint you like.
Cucumber. Rice noodle.
Yeah. It's like that.
អត់មានតង់ឆាយប្រឆាយ
No, I don't have in hand ប្រឆាយ
ជាមួយនឹងបានណា
ជាមួយនឹងសិនណាថែមទឹកក្តៅតិច Okay, now ready for the press spring roll. Here I have a fish sauce. I have a spring roll. I hope you like the video and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.